For the first step, locate the handle on top of the cover and lift straight up. Then, pull the cover up and away from the chair, ensuring the center seams fold in. While holding the cover by the handle, ensure all layers of the cover are flat. Your Storigami stackable chair cover is now ready to be hung up by the handles, or you can continue to fold to desired size. As you can see, the Storigami product line's innovative construction allows the cover to fold down to a neat, manageable size, and includes directional guide arrows that highlight key steps to simplify the folding process. This specific design of the mountain and valley seams create an intuitive folding experience for all classic accessories customers.